Unpacking the phrase, mark time, what does it really mean? Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind a phrase that often confuses English learners. Mark time. Is it about timekeeping? Or does it have a military march to it? Stick around as we decode its meanings and uses in everyday English. Understanding such phrases not only enriches your vocabulary but also polishes your fluency. So, let's dive in. In our first section, we discuss the literal meaning of mark time. Originally, this term comes from the military and involves a marching technique where soldiers march in place, moving their legs as if walking, but without moving forward. This technique is used during parades or when soldiers need to wait in formation before proceeding. So, when someone says they're marking time, they could be referring to this specific action. Moving on to a more figurative sense, mark time can also describe a situation where someone is waiting for something to happen without making progress. It's like they're in a holding pattern in their personal or professional life. For example, if someone is working in a job that doesn't offer growth, they might say they're marking time until a better opportunity comes along. This usage is quite common in everyday conversation. Let's get practical. How do you use mark time in a sentence? Here's a simple way. I've been marking time in this position for 2 years, waiting for the right moment to ask for a promotion. Another example could be, since graduation, he's been marking time, unsure of which career path to choose. Notice how it conveys the sense of passage of time with no change or advancement. In this section, we'll explore how mark time fits into various cultural contexts. For instance, in a work culture that values constant progress and growth, marking time might have a negative connotation. It suggests stagnation and complacency. However, in certain contexts, marking time might be necessary and seen as a strategic patience until the right opportunity presents itself. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, mark time. We hope this video has shed light on both the literal and figurative uses of this intriguing expression. Remember, phrases like these give color and depth to our conversations, and knowing them can really show off your command of the English language. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more English language tips. Until next time, keep learning and mark time with us for more interesting insights.